Hi, my name is Jael Scott. I am a senior at Grace Prep High School, and I have loved insects from the moment I was born. In the future, I really want to become an entomologist, but one of my aspirations is also to share this fascination and love of insects with everyone else and share that you do not need to be scared of them. They're amazing and vital to life in general, and people should appreciate that.
What I'm going to teach you today is about how important insects are to our ecosystem. They're important in many different ways, such as their use as pollinators, decomposers, pest management, and as food for other animals, such as birds. A lot of this information I have learned from various TED Talks, field trips I've led, conferences I've gone to, and research I've done to plan educational activities for my school. Barrett Klein had a TED Talk about the importance of insects, where he mentions how they are used to solve crimes, they're used to make so many dyes, how they're used as a model for flying technologies, they're used in dispersing seeds and pollinating things. Deborah Gordon, a biology professor, is studying ants and specifically how they move in search areas with decentralized command. She's planning on using this research to discover how cancer spreads throughout a body without any leader. Hopefully, once she discovers this, she'll be able to find a way to trap cancer. I've learned from a TED Talk by Norwegian professor of biology, Anne Sverdrup Digersen, that there's a worm they've discovered that digests plastic. And also about cow dung, specifically how when the cow was introduced to Australia, that the local dung beetles were not able to keep up with decomposing the feces left behind, and this led to it drying up and killing whole patches of land because the grass just couldn't grow. They had to introduce a species of dung beetle that came from the area the cows were from, and this fixed that problem. This just shows how important decomposers are to the ecosystem around you. Without insects, ecosystems would collapse. Plants need them, and they are necessary for the health of our world. I hope you learned this through my short little lecture.